Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to add header for every sheet in your print area. So I have a data here. It has so many lines, more than a page. So we need to set up a print area, and we need to repeat this header for all the sheets when we're printing this data. So first thing is that you select this data, go to here, first clear the print area, anything already selected, then set the print area. So now what you have selected is get highlighted here. You can see this line. So once it's done, go to titles, print titles. Here you can see, here it says rows to repeat at the top. So which row we need to repeat for every sheet is the top row with the headers. So I select this header. So it is taking the name. So click OK. So once it's done, you can go to File, Print, Review. Once you go, you can see the header here. If you go to next page, you can see the header is repeating. So easy to replicate the headers for all the sheets. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know any other suggestions so that I can create the video for future. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.